what's up? Today we are in Krunker.io with my friends. We found a bunch of secrets in the game. I don't think you don't. I don't know. I need to. I'm just gonna have a look. Anyways, this is Serenus thing. It means calm in another language. Oh yeah, Latin. Yeah, Latin. Okay. And then there's this also. There's another one behind this sign. We're not sure what it's about. I went onto Google and searched it up. There's this Reddit crocodile within the walls on Sandstorm map 29 blah blah blah. These numbers were in the things, or there's something. Oh yeah, we assumed that it was coordinates, and so we had a look, and it brought us to Medina, somewhere in Egypt. Or somewhere around Egypt. Is it? So, isn't that Egypt? Isn't it? Oh, okay. Wait, let me check. So, well, interesting. Oh, I thought it was in Egypt. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the video because this was pointless for me. Bye.